You cannot install Kodi directly on a Roku TV. The useful answer is not a fake sideload trick. It is choosing between screen mirroring, a native Roku media app, or separate Kodi hardware. Kodi publishes apps for platforms such as Windows, Android, Linux, and Apple devices, but not Roku. Roku's app platform does not provide a normal way to install the Kodi package. There are 3 practical routes. Mirror Kodi from a supported computer or phone, use Plex for a personal media library, or run Kodi on another device connected to the TV by HDMI. For Windows, first open Roku Settings, System, then Screen Mirroring. Choose Prompt while testing so the TV asks before accepting a new device, and keep both devices on the same network. Launch Kodi on the Windows computer, press Windows K, select the Roku, and accept the prompt on the TV. The television becomes a wireless display, while Kodi continues running on the computer. On Android, look for Cast, Smart View, Wireless Display, or Screen Share. The name depends on the phone maker. Google Pixel phones generally do not support the Miracast route Roku uses. For an iPhone, iPad, or Mac, check whether the Roku exposes Apple AirPlay in settings. Compatible models can mirror through AirPlay, while older Roku hardware may need another method. If your goal is playing a personal library, Plex may be easier. Plex has a native Roku channel and streams media from a computer or network storage without mirroring the entire screen. For daily Kodi use, dedicated hardware is usually cleaner. Run Kodi on an Android TV device or a small computer, connect it through HDMI, and leave Roku available for its own apps. If Roku does not appear, confirm both devices share the same local network. Temporarily disable VPN connections and restart both ends. Guest Wi-Fi can also block devices from seeing each other. Mirroring quality depends on the network. Strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi helps, but high bitrate local video can still stutter. HDMI is more dependable when picture quality and audio sync matter. Kodi itself is a legitimate media center. The risk comes from unreliable third-party sources. Use personal media, official services, and add-ons you are authorized to access. Use mirroring for a free quick test, Plex for a Roku-friendly personal library, and dedicated HDMI hardware when you want the complete Kodi interface every day. Scan the QR for the full SmartTVS.org guide with Windows, Android, AirPlay, Plex, HDMI, and troubleshooting steps for Kodi on a Roku TV.